For the costume language, again, it was really important to have something that was very visually strong and dynamic and fun, because that's part of the spirit of the piece. And so we were thinking about where to play this now, and the fact that we're doing this over in the UK. And so we were thinking about sort of British fashion designers and that rebellious spirit that someone like Vivienne Westwood had.
The idea that James and I decided to go very quickly was to create a language that was a bit punk, and we didn't want to illustrate Candide as a pure 18th century piece. The fitting to me is like the most important moment in the process, because of course making the design is one thing, but then you meet a human being with his own body and his own concern, and I always want to leave some room to the people to express how they feel, because the most important thing to me is that they embody the character.